Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. We are now going to be running a binary option robot here at Pocket Option. But today I will push it a little harder. We have lately just been using $15, and today I will take it up a little notch, not so much, maybe around 30. Let's put a target of around $150 profit. Let's go for that. So let's see how we do. I will now start up the robot. But before I do that, you can use this binary option robot also. Just use the link that you find below the video and you can get started today also. Also, if you want to trade together with me, I trade live. So if you want to learn how I'm trading, well, easy, just sign up and you can trade together with me also. You find within the link you find below the video, you find everything I'm doing. So just go there and you can sign up for the robot, get the robot. You can sign up for my live session, all these type of things, completely for free, everything. Okay, so but now let's start up the binary option robot and let's see how much money we can make today. I think today I don't have so much time, to be quite frankly, so I don't sure how long time I'll let the robot run. But we'll run it for a little while and let's see how much money we make. So let's see.
Yo, listen up, traders and know who got the dream. Alpha One's in the house, we're rolling supreme. Binary options trading, it's the future. You see, our robots got the game locked, profit guarantee. Catching trends and patterns, calculating the stats, analyzing the market, making moves in a flash. We're trading in the fast lane, ain't no time to sleep. Alpha One's got your back, making profits so deep. It's a digital revolution, ain't no place to hide. With Alpha One by your side, you're on the winning side. We'll make your money multiply faster than you know. Binary options trading, watch your profits grow. Stress-free from my home in my zone, making money while I breathe. Dreams in digital, cash overflows, counting blessings, not just bank rolls. Woke up, didn't rush out, my office 10 steps from bed. Dreams of wealth, not in books, but when my emails tread. Plugging in, stock spin, alpha's tips never thin. Making moves, smooth moves, financial wins begin. From Forex to stocks, the market's just a game. Play it right with alpha, never staying the same. Life sweet, recline my seat, trading on repeat. Money talks in silent peace, success never discreet. Alpha One, guiding me, now I'm living stress-free. From my home in my zone, making money while I breathe. Dreams and digital cash overflows, counting blessings, not just bank rolls. Woke up, didn't rush out, my office 10 steps from bed. Dreams and wealth, not in books. Alpha One, guiding me, now I'm living stress-free. From my home in my zone, making money while I breathe. Dreams in digital cash overflows, counting blessings, not just bank rolls. No suits, no commute, just profit routes. Homes where the heart is, where my wealth sprouts. Binary options, watch them multiply. Alpha's insight, on that I rely. Living large but living light, enjoying every day. Money's coming, money's going, but it always seems to stay. Tech tips, digital lips, whisper market shifts. Alpha One's the secret script, my economic lift. In Alpha One we trust, in Alpha One we trust. Yo, listen up, traders and know who got the dream. Alpha One's in the house, we're rolling supreme. Binary options trading, it's the future. You see, our robots got the game locked, profit guarantee. Catching trends and patterns, calculating the stats, analyzing the market, making moves in a flash. We're trading in the fast lane, ain't no time to sleep. Alpha One's got your back, making profits so deep. It's a digital revolution, ain't no place to hide. With Alpha One by your side, you're on the winning side. We'll make your money multiply faster than you know. Binary options trading, watch your profits grow. money while I breathe. Dreams in.
And there we have it, $192 in around 40 minutes. Let's take a look at the trades that have been taken. Let's see here now. So basically this is the trades. Today the max loss was 3 in a row. That is pretty darn good. So you see we did raise the bid. Yesterday I was trading with $15, now we did 30, and we can see that on the amount we almost made $200, so this started to be good. So once again, a good profit with our binary option robot. So what are you waiting for? Link below the video if you want to run this also. So that, have an amazing day.